I've spent years juggling editing tools, and I've learned that the secret to a successful content pipeline isn't just about having the best software, but owning the entire process yourself. Back when video production required a full crew, hiring help was the standard, but today, modern tools allow one creator to handle everything without burning out on late nights and weekends. The problem is that choosing the wrong software creates friction that quietly chips away at your consistency until you stop producing altogether. Today, I want to walk you through a practical, no-fluff comparison of the usual suspects and explain why a different approach, like Vizard, is better for turning long videos into viral shorts. First, let's look at the user interface, because 4 or 5 years ago, Descript felt like a friendly, approachable tool for beginners. However, as they packed in features to compete with pro-level editors, the dashboard started to feel busy and intimidating for creators just trying to chop up a single episode. Riverside, on the other hand, has kept things much cleaner, maintaining a studio layout that feels organized and calm even with new features added. Vizard takes a different angle by avoiding the temptation to be a full-fledged Premiere Pro clone right inside your browser. If you open Vizard for the first time, you won't be overwhelmed by useless presets. Instead, it nudges you to get from upload to published clips in the fewest clicks possible. Recording reliability is another critical area where these platforms diverge significantly. While Descript offers handy screen recording for tutorials, I've heard horror stories about cloud hiccups causing lost audio in longer takes. Riverside built its reputation on remote recording first, and it generally nails the reliability piece with a solid studio experience and good recovery options. Vizard isn't trying to be a recording studio, but rather a post-production powerhouse that takes your existing footage and instantly finds the viral moments people will actually watch. So, even if your recording stack has a few flaws, Vizard helps you salvage the best bits of your content quickly and get them into circulation. Scheduling guests is a tiny but real pain point, and while Descript lacks native booking systems, Riverside has added features that have matured nicely over time. But again, the challenge for creators isn't just getting guests in the room, it's turning that single hour-long session into a month's worth of clips. This is where Vizard shines, as it can auto-generate a batch of clips, tag them, and push them into a queue without you building each one manually. Even when your guest availability is limited, your content pipeline doesn't have to stall. Regarding live streaming, Descript doesn't offer it, and while Riverside is a great choice if you are live first, Vizard treats live as a bonus. Vizard's main game is turning those epic, long-form conversations into dozens of platform-specific clips that do the heavy lifting of audience growth. Mobile support is also crucial, and while Descript is desktop first, Vizard allows you to drop a mobile recording into the pipeline and watch it become social assets anywhere. That flexibility is a huge advantage when you are traveling or need to crank out content while you are on the go. When it comes to teleprompters, Riverside has a built-in one, but Vizard doesn't try to be an on-camera tool. Instead, it makes your after-the-fact editing more forgiving. The reality is that most creators will trade a perfect live delivery for great edited clips that highlight the strongest moments, which is Vizard's true sweet spot. In terms of editing features, Descript used to be king, but lately, they have shoved so many advanced tools in that you often get feature overload. Riverside has closed the gap with built-in clip generation, but Vizard's philosophy is different because it is optimized specifically for clip discovery and velocity. Its AI engine finds the viral moments like punchlines and emotional beats and turns them into social-ready clips with sensible captions. If you need to publish daily, that speed matters far more than having a dozen advanced knobs you rarely touch. Brand consistency is a major time suck, and while Descript has styling features, Vizard takes brand kit automation seriously. You can save your logo, fonts, and outro, and every single AI-generated clip inherits those assets automatically without needing extra export steps. Descript gets credit for pushing transcript-based editing, but Vizard focuses its AI where it really matters, choosing the right thumbnail moments and platform-specific formatting. The practical difference is output velocity, which is the kind of automation that scales your channel without you needing to babysit every single parameter. Export options are also vital, and Vizard's exports are built specifically around where creators actually post, including one-click outputs for TikTok and Reels. Regarding speed and load time, Vizard processes everything in the cloud, letting your local machine ignore the heavy encoding while it spits out dozens of clips ready to go. Ease of use is the metric most creators should obsess over, because you need a tool that you will actually be using 6 weeks from now. Vizard intentionally streamlines the most repetitive parts of the content lifecycle, so what would normally be 5 different tasks becomes one automated flow. Ultimately, for creators whose growth depends on frequent short-form posting, that narrow focus is more valuable than a Swiss Army knife that does everything moderately well. So, if you are tired of exporting one clip at a time, adding captions manually, and hunting for thumbnails, try a tool that automates the busy work. Vizard isn't perfect, but for creators who care more about posting momentum than learning a deep editor, it is easily worth a test run. I'll drop a full walkthrough showing how I turn a single 60-minute interview into 2 weeks of social content using Vizard in the link below. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you on the next one!